Well, September is National Recovery Month, and it celebrates the millions of people recovering from substance abuse and mental health disorders.
And as of July 10th, Denver reports 320 confirmed overdose deaths so far this year. Of those cases, 213 involved fentanyl, and that's up from 275 overdose deaths during the same period last year. This month, Denver Health is sharing real stories from people affected by the opioid crisis.
Stories in Black and White, it's called, is an exhibit that aims to fight stigma and raise awareness. Denver 7's Colin Riley spoke to Brooke Bender with Denver Health Center for Addiction Medicine, along with two survivors, Vicente Garcia and Kristen Loera.
And they shared how this effort could be a part of a solution to help save lives.
Can a story help save a life?
If they read this, and this is my story, I've been in rehab 5 times.
Vicente Garcia's journey through substance abuse, displayed for everyone to read, is a message of resilience that he hopes saves at least one life.
No matter how many times it takes, when you're finally ready to do the work, sobriety is possible.
What does that mean to you? What do you hope someone might get out of that?
I wasn't doing the work, and then when I did the work, when I put my feet down and said, you know what, let's do it. You've done this for 15 years. Give this a shot for 5.
And for Kristen Loera, she hopes her story reminds readers that no matter how bad things might have gotten, change is still possible.
Regardless, at the end of the day, it is possible to get through this addiction, and it's going to be possible. You just have to put that little bit of hard work and dedication in.
The hard work that was put into these stories is all part of Denver Health's Stories in Black and White, a public exhibit that looks to break down the stigmas surrounding substance abuse and encourage people to ask for help.
Substance use disorder can impact anyone from any walk of life. Even today, while we've been here in the park giving out resources, we've heard people say that they have lost hope and that they have been interested in treatment and have struggled really hard.
Brooke Bender with Denver Health Center for Addiction Medicine says the community, whether impacted or not, can help reduce deaths through awareness and empathy.
Stigma is a huge reason that people don't seek care, and so we just want to create awareness that this is not a moral failing and that people have all kinds of reasons how they get into substance use disorder.
In Denver,
I think it's good to just have that person to remind you, like, you got this, look at the progress you're making, look at how far you've come. Even if you're sober for a week, that's so much progress.
Colin Riley for Denver 7.
And if you would like to see this exhibit, it will be showcased at the Denver Central Public Library on September 4th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or you can read the stories online at denverhealth.org.
And going in depth here, I've previously reported on efforts to reduce overdose deaths in Colorado, including the Fentanyl Accountability and Prevention Act that took effect here in 2022. But a state study released earlier this year found the law has not reduced fentanyl ODs statewide. Dr. Joshua Barocas told me national numbers show a drop in overdose deaths, but they don't tell the full story.
It means that across the nation, things are somehow working, or to be very, very blunt, we've already lost the most vulnerable people. And so now the people with better access, with better supports, with less long-standing substance use may have a better fighting chance.
So this isn't necessarily a great achievement of Narcan or something like that.
No.
Dr. Barocas added that while the overall trend is down, overdose deaths are still rising among indigenous communities and Black people.